This Century 21 Purdum-Epperson Incorporated property video is presented by Steve Silberer. Nicely updated ranch home, open floor plan with large living room, dining room, kitchen, 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, large mud room, attached 1-car garage, screen-in porch, large fenced backyard with PAITO area, and 30 by 24 detached shop that has its own ELEC, heat, and 3 overhead doors. This home has new interior paint, updated windows, kitchen, bath, hardwood floors and shingles in 2017. For more information, review the details below.